Hi student, today in this video I am going to discuss about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So eclipse is formed because of the shadow created by sun on moon or the shadow created by moon on the sun. So first, solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is it is because of the shadow caused by moon on earth. Okay, so due to this reason solar eclipse is formed. So for solar eclipse, sun, moon and earth should align in a straight line. Aligned in a straight line. So in this condition what will happen? The light which is coming from the sun, some of this light will be blocked by the moon, then a shadow of the moon will form at the surface of the earth in a particular region, because in this region no sunlight can form because these sunlight are blocked by moon. So no sunlight will fall here, then this surface or this region will be black or a shadow of the moon will be created here. So this is called total solar eclipse. Okay, now this point A, B, suppose it is C and D. In A and B in this region or C and D in this region, light from sun will fall on it, but the amount of light will be less, and that is why AB or CD in these two regions, the eclipse which will be formed, this is called partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse because there will be a less amount of light. So next we will study about lunar eclipse. So lunar eclipse is formed because a shadow is formed by earth on the moon. So earth casts a shadow on moon. Due to this reason lunar eclipse is formed. So here also, suppose this is sun, here in middle earth will be there, and this is moon. So all the three are aligned in the same straight line. Now the light which is coming from the sun will be blocked by the earth, and no sunlight can fall on the moon. That means a shadow of earth will form here on the moon. So that is why the moon will be totally black. And this is called total lunar eclipse. Okay, this is total lunar eclipse. Now since the moon is rotating around the earth, suppose at a particular time the moon arrives this position. So when the moon arrives this position, some of the light from sun can fall on it like this. Then in a particular region, okay, light can fall on it, but on the other side light can fall. So a shadow will be caused by earth on it in the other part. So since in some part of the moon light can fall, so in this situation the eclipse is called partial lunar eclipse. Partial lunar eclipse because the moon is not totally black, in some part it will be bright. Okay, this is all about lunar eclipse.